Let's start coloring by learning the names of color. Here is red color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, parrot color, sky blue color, purple color, and here is orange color. Now let's color the hen. So what sound does a hen make? A hen says, how many hens can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 hens.